If your V6 Kia Sportage refuses to turn over, don't panic before checking these 5 common failure points. Statistically, 70% of no-start cases are traced back to simple battery or terminal issues. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to pinpoint your engine's silence. Start by checking the battery voltage and clearing any corrosion from the terminals. If the battery is solid, look toward the starter solenoid, the crankshaft position sensor, or a failed fuel pump relay. Secondary issues include a faulty ignition switch, broken ground straps, or an active security immobilizer. Try cleaning the posts and checking fuses yourself before committing to a shop visit for major components. As you can see, costs vary wildly depending on whether you are replacing a simple relay or the starter motor. If it still won't start, use an OBD-I scanner to check for hidden codes before inspecting spark and fuel delivery. Keep a basic multimeter, a socket set, and an OBD-I scanner in your trunk to handle these roadside issues. Remember, safety is the priority. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any electrical components. Follow these steps to find the fault, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more repair guides.